I intend to take back bends. Back bends are sometimes difficult. Some people find it very easy. Depends on your body structure. This is something that I had requested. If you can order, if you don't have, no worries. We can use bolster that you may have, or a gym ball, or even the chair. Or chair नहीं है, sofa है, कुछ भी. I mean, whatever you have, we will try and make use of it. So that's the plan today. Now, why do we do this? As I said in the last class, this is the best exercise for heart. Heart के लिए अगर आपको कोई भी exercise चाहिए, तो ये exercise जो आज बताएंगे वो बढ़िया है, बिंदास करने के लिए बोलिए. So let's start. Let's start with first our warm up, neck rotation. Sit straight, sit relaxed. Clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Nice and easy. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Shoulder rotation. Shoulder पे हाथ रखिए. Clockwise 5 times, nice and easy. बद्ध कोणासन. दोनों पैरों को ज्वाइन कीजिए. Try to take this as down as possible. हाथ पीछे लीजिए कंप्लीट स्ट्रेचिंग के बाद. चेस्ट को एक्सपांड कीजिए. शोल्डर ब्लेड्स को एक दूसरे के पास लाइए. नेक को नीचे लीजिए. If possible, keep your hands on the ground. If possible, try and go forward. Touch your forehead to the ground. हो सके तो. Initially, it's optional for you. Don't do. It's okay. Lock your hands. Stretch. Side twist. Same way, lock your hands, stretch to the other side. आसन पहले मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. And the same asan will then do on the wheel. If you don't have a wheel, we could use a gym ball or anything that you have. So let's start with the first asan. First asan in the back bend series is the Kandhar asan. Now Kandhar is the bridge posture as we call it. So we'll do the bridge posture first, and then we'll try to do the bridge posture on this. Okay. So आप मत कीजिए because your body is not warmed up. I was doing my practice, so my body is warm up, so I'm showing. You don't do, you just see the posture, and then when we take the wheel, we all do it together. So पहले posture, lie down, hold your ankles, and then we go up. So observe a few things now. See that my shoulder is on the ground and it's taking the weight, right? My feet are on the ground, they're taking the weight, and I'm trying to lift the hip bone. You see this? ये भी कंधार आसन है और ये भी कंधार आसन है. So ये जो flexibility है, and then when I do this, my chin is touching the chest. Now when my chin touches the chest, that's when the thyroid gets activated. So your hormones, your weight, if you want it to be in control, your thyroid has to be balanced. And for the balancing of the thyroid, this is the only exercise, or these are some of the exercises that you can do. So I'll just show it again. Ideal Kandharasana. So this is the ideal. Okay. Now, some of you may not be able to do it because of a heavy body or because you're not able to lift. So we take the help of the wheel. So first wheel ko lijiye. Okay, sit on the floor, sit on the ground. Everybody can see it correctly. One second.
सर आप बराबर दिख रहे हो.
दिख रहे हैं? Okay.
This is
Yes,
better.
yes.
No, sir, थोड़ा और नीचे.
This is
Yeah,
better?
this is yeah.
Okay. So see, I am sitting on the floor. Okay. I have kept the dari over the yoga mat so that it doesn't slip. I'm keeping the wheel next to my tailbone. Okay. And I'm just relaxing on it. Now I go down. Now as I go down, I'm opening up my shoulders. I'm opening up my shoulders. Yeah. Yeah. And then your neck will be suspended now. Let it suspend. We'll do 10 breathings in this. Now for students who do not have the yoga wheel, you could try doing it with the support of the chair. Take any chair. Hold it. इफेक्ट वही है जो आपके पास हो वो यूज करो. Idea is to sit on the floor, take support and go down. यही आप अलग अलग तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. See, I have a chair. I've just put it. All the more better. Yeah. So you can use.
Harsh, but this is different from the Kandharasana that you had shown, right?
Yeah, we're still in the warm up. We're still in the warm up phase. We're still in the warm up phase. We are trying to make the vertebral column flexible first. Then we'll do Kandharasana in this. Okay. Since you asked a question, the final posture I'll show. Again, I don't expect you to do right now. So with on the wheel, if I have to do Kandharasana, I'll just show the process. Okay, quickly. You are not doing it. You just observe. I first do this. I warm up my body. Yeah, you see how I'm taking the feet. Then I roll, and go down. Now, if you're able to see me, are you able to see the neck, the shoulders, the same Kandharasana which I did?
Harsh, you have gone out of screen.
Sorry?
You've gone out of screen, half of you.
Right.
So we can't see you.
Can you see me now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see you now.
So, Usha, have I answered your question? So this is what we need to achieve with the help of the wheel.
Okay.
Automatically your back is nicely bent. It's lifted with the help of the wheel. Your chin is touching the chest and your hands can be behind or underneath your lower back. Now for you to do this, we first need to warm up ourselves. And we are right now doing the warm up by first sitting on the ground and stretching our lower back. Okay. अभी अगला step इसी है. Don't jump because if you do it properly, this is Amrit. If you don't do properly, this is poison.
Yeah.
So we'll go step by step. We have a whole hour, and we'll learn from the basics. So I'm sitting on the ground. I'm resting my back on the wheel, and now see what I'm doing. I'm lifting my buttocks by taking weight on the feet. Just this. And Dhairyashil, I always get confused with the name. Dhairyashil. This is a good exercise for you for the sciatica and for lower back, L4, L5. सबने किया?
Can you show it to chair once, Harsh?
Huh. So some of the students who want to do it on with the help of the chair. Okay, now since the chair that I have has this, I can't go much down, but I can do this.
Sir, can you show with bolster?
Can you see Usha? Yeah, you see what I did?
Yeah.
I was first doing this
Yeah.
with the help of a chair, nice and easy. Just open up your back, hold the chair firmly, lift your buttocks, take the chair, put the body on the chair itself, and rest on it. This is good. This is a very good stretching. So even if you have a chair, and once you hold your hand, now observe the hips. I'm holding my hand. I'm trying to consciously take the hips down. So what is happening is automatically ये जो chest का portion है, back का portion है, that is nicely expanded. It's nicely stretched. It feels very relaxing.
Can you show it also with the
I-
bolster?
Yeah, actually. Usually these classes I prefer to take physically, but this is the first time I'm teaching virtually because you need a lot of attention to details. Okay, now bolster. Now this is, you can take two bolsters actually, one above the other, and you could do the same thing. अब bolster में stretching उतना नहीं होगा जितना chair में हो रहा है या जितना आपका wheel में हो रहा है. But nonetheless, it's good enough. You're still able to lift, stretch, and go down. Bolster would be very easy. Chair would be slightly difficult. Yoga will be intermediate. किया सबने?
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling? The one with the chair, the one with the जिसने किया? Good.
I think बिना
Usha, all okay?
yeah, but I feel बिना prop के ज़्यादा easy लग रहा है.
Are you able to touch your chin to the chest?
Without the prop,
Without any support, are you able to touch your chin to the chest?
the whole asan
When you do the asan?
I'll have to see. I don't remember.
Just check. See, the idea is to improve on what you've been doing. The idea of the props is not to, if you're able to do something good, you don't need it.
But I tried without the prop, so I don't have them. I could just check my chin to the shoulder.
सर मेरा भी
chest.
प्रॉप के बिना अच्छे से होता है.
Good. तो प्रॉप नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं.
और ये आपने बताया कि चीन अड़ना चाहिए, तो अभी इतना समझ में आया कि हाँ उतना ऊपर होना है कि अपना चीन यहाँ नीचे टच होना चाहिए.
Sharad, just go gradually, just go slowly. Just see that the ball is on the firm ground. I can see you, Sharad. Just see that you are keeping the ball on firm ground. Sit at the edge of the ball. Sit on the edge of the gym ball. On the edge, yeah. Or further down, further आगे, पैर आगे लो. Some of my students know how systematically we go. Now, try to go down. Yeah. Try to take your hands behind your ears. घुमा के. You need help from your daughter or somebody in the house. I don't have a gym ball, otherwise I would have shown. शरद पहले देखिए. Assume this is a gym ball, okay? Okay. Now what you're doing is you're doing this. ऐसे. Your hands are sideways, right? आपका हाथ कान के ऊपर से जाके उसको इस तरह से रखिए. Hands are like this. You found the difference? Okay, the next exercise is again to open the rib cage. Okay, so you see, I'm now taking the wheel in the earlier kya tha? Ye tha. Okay, and then we did this, right? Now, I have slightly moved ahead, if you have observed. And after moving ahead, I am resting the wheel in between both the shoulder blades, the scapula. After doing this, I am consciously holding it like this and then keeping the neck down. This is extremely relaxing. So if you are prone to higher level of glycerides, triglycerides, LDL, stenosis, just do this much. Step 1, sit here. Step 2, just move ahead. Step 3, keep this in between your shoulder blades and just hold it. 2 minutes. Now for students who have this, now tell me how you're feeling, your experience after doing it for 30 seconds. I'll just mute.
Very relaxed.
So students with yoga wheel, after doing it, how are you feeling? You may want to unmute and say. So people, students with chair, now this is slightly difficult to do, but I will try nonetheless. I could take a break. 2 ways to do. If your chair is not good, take just the brick. Just take 2 bricks. Keep it. Same effect. So if you have 2 bricks, keep them one above the other. Just see that they are exactly in between your shoulder blades and your neck is hanging on the ground. If you want support for the neck, you could just fold your towel and keep it. Yeah. Satya, I can see you. Yeah. Oh, wait. Don't lift your buttocks. Just be there. Yeah. Now try to take your shoulders, try to touch them to the ground. Yes. Try to touch your neck to the ground. If you want support of the neck, you can do that. Yeah. Pooja, that's good enough. Hina, can you be a little away so that I can see the wheel posture? Right now, I cannot see the wheel posture. Yeah. Yeah. Umakant doing it right. Yeah. Hina, you're doing it perfect. Okay, now if you the right asana for this is the Matsyasana. So in Matsyasana, what do? We sit in Virasana first, which is this, which is very difficult. Mat karo, because this will be very difficult for you to do. Then you go down and then you lift your chest. And take your hands down. This is the asana which improves your metabolism, ensures that you stay in weight, your weight is in control, and you stay within the limits. Now, what happens? ये आसन करने के लिए आपको you have to go through a lot of pain. The first pain is sitting in Virasana. The second pain is going down. The third pain is lifting it. Now, if you want the benefits of this without having to go through the pain, what we are doing is we are using the bricks. We are keeping the bricks. So the chest is lifted by the brick, and your hands are behind. So you see the effect is the same. Just that you're making it easy. Now, in case you want, you could fold your legs. In case you want, optional. करना है तो. Same, Matsyasana. इसी को आप दूसरा वेरिएशन पद्मासन में भी कर सकते हैं. बट मैसेज ये था कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉप्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ व्हील or a brick, you could still be able to do that. You'll get the same benefit. It's a good investment. I told somebody, I think it was Satya, I said this is the best investment of 2020. अगर आपने खरीदा है तो इसका पूरा ROI आ जाएगा.
Chennai is in lockdown, so that's why I couldn't get.
Oh yeah, I heard it's next 12 days. Oh, no worries, no worries.
Correct.
No worries. The recording will be there. I'll ensure that I'll post this on YouTube as well, so that you can also look at it. Absolutely. Usually ये मैं virtual class में सिखाने ही वाला था. Even in my regular class, I very rarely teach this, and that's because the chances of it being misused are more. And this is something which I've learned the hard way, which I have learned it for a lot of years. What helps, what doesn't help. अब इससे आपको ज्यादा इफेक्ट चाहिए और व्हील नहीं है आपके पास, ओके, तो आप बोल्स्टर ले लो. ओके, बोल्स्टर के एज पे बैठ जाओ और फिर उसके ऊपर ब्रिक रखो एंड डू द सेम. See that your neck is hanging. Effect same. Now, so students or some of my earlier students, 60 plus, 50 plus, have undergone surgery, have undergone heart operation. They can't do exercise. But if they have to be treated, this is, so मैं उनको 5 minutes ऐसे ही सुला देता हूँ. 5 minutes in the same posture. After 5 minutes, for 3 days, the 4th day, it's so beautiful to hear their compliment that they feel less pressure on the heart. They feel more relaxed. They feel more active during the day, and that's pretty good. So it's science again. I mean, the arteries are getting narrower, and by doing this, you're just extending the arteries. You're expanding the arteries, so the blood flow will be much smoother throughout the heart, throughout the throat, throughout the thyroid. And once your thyroid is flushed with good blood, your heart is flushed with good blood, you will feel energetic. So Lalita, how are you feeling just doing the behind the ear? Yeah. So after running, a message to all runners. हाँ Lalita.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Actually, from last time मैंने आपको message भी किया था. I am feeling that, you know, the palpitation or I don't know something. But after doing this back bend, na, it really helps. Like it cools. That feel is not there.
Yeah. Instantly आपका जो अगर stress आ रहा है हार्ट पे वो निकल जाएगा. Now there are many athletes, there are many runners in the class. Whenever you do running, whenever you do cycling or heavy exercise, you are in zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. What you should do after coming back is you have these rollers, you know, where you get this from Decathlon. वो roller पे ऐसे ही लेट जाओ. Roller नहीं है तो योगा wheel पे compulsorily just do the stretches. After, exactly, you have it, my friend. So that's exactly what you should be doing. So if you have the roller, जैसा मैंने योगा wheel पे roll किया, सत्या, same that वो grip वाला जो roller है ना, yeah, that one. So right, start from your lower back and just move like I did on the yoga wheel. You could do it on the roller. Okay, same way. इस पे इसके edge पे बैठ जाओ and then just roll, 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 roll. Okay. Especially after cycling, I found this to be very beneficial. Cycling में क्या होता है, your hands are on the handle for 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and your feet are moving. So naturally जो आपके नीचे के जो चक्रास है, आपका स्वादिष्टान चक्रा, मणिपुर का चक्रा, मूलाधार चक्रा, they get very activated. But आपके जो ऊपर के चक्रास है, they are dull. So there is energy imbalance, and that leads to drowsiness, laziness. और वो निकालना है तो rolling, so that the energy is balanced. Runners as it is do it. I see Lalita, I see most of you. वही इस पे करना है, wheel पे करना है, wheel नहीं है आप roller पे करो. Now let's move ahead. Abhi, I'm still on the wheel. The first exercise we did is this, right? The second exercise we did is this. Now the third exercise is I'm still there's some gap between the wheel and the lower back. I'm holding the wheel and then I'm going down. Now see the movement is because of the hip. Hip उठा लिया, hip को नीचे ले 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 लिया. Can everybody see?
Yes, we can see you, Harsh.
Okay, now observe my elbows are on the ground, my head is touching the ground, my feet are straight. While coming back, same. This is again a very, very, very beneficial exercise for cardiac related problems. And I'll show the asan now. इसका जो आसन है वो कितना मुश्किल है आपको आइडिया आएगा. And we have done the same very easily on the wheel. पहले आप wheel पे कीजिए, मैं फिर इसका आसन दिखाऊंगा. Wheel पे कीजिए, या wheel नहीं है तो बस bolster ले लीजिए and just lie down. It's okay. Because the idea is to show how relaxing the same exercise can be. Wow, Ridhima, 10 out of 10. Lift your neck. Lift your neck. गर्दन को, neck बोले तो पैर उठा रही हो. Neck को उठाओ, गर्दन. हाँ. It should be hanging. It's not touching, right? Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold it for 30 seconds. गोमन जी थोड़ा रुको, मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या करना है. Suma, hand take behind. Take your hands behind. Correct. Good, good, good.
The head hanging होना चाहिए क्या? Touch नहीं होना चाहिए ground को.
Finally, head touch होगा. Once you go completely down, your head will touch. When your elbows touch, your head will touch.
अच्छा, elbow भी touch. Okay.
Yeah. Now, can you show me again? I couldn't see because you were out of the camera angle. Yeah. थोड़ा आगे आइए. उमाकांत doing fine. घुटना सीधा करो अभी उमाकांत. Excellent, excellent. Elbow, knee straight. Extend your legs, exactly. खूप soft है. That's very soft. Susanta, knee straight करो. Supriya, that is very soft, because what will happen? You will sleep on that. It will just get compressed. It's okay. Observe. हे सांगवी मध्ये मिळतं. मी त्याचा नंबर I just message it to you.
प्लीज मी ऑर्डर करेन.
Yeah, he's in Pune only. So he's a good friend of mine. He exports to US and all other markets. तो ये जितने लोग हैं आधे आधे वहीं से लिए हैं. They are all made in Pune and he imports from Taiwan. So it's
मला द्याल नंबर मी करते ऑर्डर त्याच्याकडनं.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I'll do that. Order नहीं, you can just go there and pick it. Wait, सांगवी मध्येच आहे, जास्ती लांब नाही आहे तुम्हाला. Okay, now I'll show the आसन actual कैसे है. विधिमा ने दिखाया, which is very good. I don't remember teaching her, but she did it very well. Vidima, did I teach you? I don't remember, or did I? No. Then how did you do? Okay, you lie down on the floor. Step 1. Step 2, go into Urdhva Dhanurasana. Step 3, you come down. Step 4, you lift. You see how my neck is lifted? Can everybody see?
Yes, we can see you.
This is the asana. Okay. अब ये आसन करने के लिए तपस्या करनी होगी. काफी मेहनत करनी होगी. अब यही इफेक्ट, यही बेनिफिट हमें चाहिए सस्ते में, शॉर्टकट में. तो हमने लिया योगा भी, और फिर हमने इस पे ही अभी फास्ट फूड का जमाना है ना. एवरीबॉडी वांट्स क्विक. यू सी, सेम आसन, सेम इफेक्ट with minimum effort. और बेनिफिट इसके वही है. The difficult way also I have shown. It's good to learn that. But in case, now imagine somebody has a cardiac arrest and that poor fellow has come to me कि सर आप मुझे योगा में क्या है बताइए. अगर मैं उसको पहले ही दिन ये करके दिखाऊं कि सर आइए बैठिए आपको ये करना है, और मैं ये सब दिखाया उनको, ये वो तो भाग जाएंगे. He'll run away. He'll never ever even look at me. Then when they meet me, they'll give me very funny excuses. क्यों नहीं योगा क्लास को आते हैं? And this is a common theme. So I initially used to get very enthusiastic and try to teach all the difficult asana because this is the best exercise for heart. Now I understood that if I have to teach them, how can I give the same benefits without having them to go through the pain? And therefore, this is, you can use a tire, you can use a wheel, you can use a rickshaw का जो ये रिम रहता है वो भी सेम है. You can use that. Now, if you don't have this at home, still you can do this. You can use the chair. थोड़ा मुश्किल जाएगा initially, and I think we learned it in the last class.
Sir, we can use ball.
Yes, you can use a gym ball. But just see that you have somebody as support you. You see, this is what we learned in the last week. You come down. Okay, this is the first one, Kandarasana. इसी में आपने ये भी कर लिया. Now for advanced students, you could further keep your leg on the chair. And more stretching. So I'm keeping my legs on the chair and I'm doing the same stretch. Sarvangasana. You could take the support of the chair and do Sarvangasana. Slowly come down. So students with yoga wheel, coming back to the yoga wheel, were you able to do the Setubandha Sarva, the Dvipada Viparita Dandasana? The name is long. Dvi is do, Pad is pair. दो पैर जिसमें जमीन में होते हैं. Viparita is ulta, and Dandasana, this is ulta Dandasana. So yeah, ये कौन है बढ़िया कर रहा है? उषा ना? Usha Mohan, doing fine. Oops. I'll show again. Step 1, step 2, step 3. See the knee. See the knee going down, going down, going down, going down.
Okay. Okay.
See, and who asked that question? Dekho, now what is happening is because of the wheel, my abdominal part is getting activated.
Hmm.
So the kidney, the liver, the pancreas, which otherwise cannot activate, these are getting activated. So focus on expanding this part, and this will happen only when your knees are straight and you're trying to take your legs towards the wall, towards far away from you, and it's a beautiful feeling. You'll feel it immediately.
चेयर में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट
अभी एडवांस जाते हैं. This is again for heart. This is again for your thyroid, and this is again for your pituitary glands, which are in the brain. Now the asana is called Kapot asana. Kapot is pigeon. Kapota means pigeon. Kapot is pigeon. Pigeon का आसन. So करना कैसे है पहले देखिए फिर कीजिए. व्हील मैंने जानबूझ के जो मेरा दरी है, चादर है, उस पे रखा. Okay. If you want to warm up, now see the difference. पहले हम बैठ के पैर आगे थे, अब पैर फोल्ड है और उस पे मैंने ये रखा है. And I am stretching. So this is the warm up. पहले ये करो, फिर मैं आगे बताता हूँ. जिनके पास व्हील नहीं है, we could do it at the chair. This is good enough. If you can see me. Why I, however, don't recommend it on the chair is because in the chair there is a possibility that your lower back gets strained much. And this exercise is more for the heart, and we don't want injuries in the lower back. So ये chair का handle with care. Wheel बिंदास्त करो. Wheel, yoga, the gym ball is also fine. भावना जरा वापस आइए. ओके. घुटनों के बल खड़े रहिए. घुटनों के बल खड़े रहिए. व्हील जो है दोनों पैरों के बीच में लीजिए, इस तरह से. या एंड देन गो डाउन. डिफिकल्ट है, डिफिकल्ट जाएगा, धीरे धीरे करेंगे. या थोड़ा डर भी लगेगा, पहला दिन है. या यू डूइंग इट एक्सीलेंट, 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 एक्सीलेंट. ललिता शवासन चालू है क्या?
सर कॉल था एक.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ करके बोल दो. ओके. नाउ फॉर ऑप्शनल है जो मैं आगे बताऊंगा. ये आप जितना किए उतना काफी अच्छा है. बट इफ यू वांट टू नो द कपोटासन, सो जो आइडियल वे इज try to hold your feet with your hand. कर पाएंगे? कोशिश करना. Do it only if you have the wheel. If you don't have the wheel, don't try. You could do Ushtrasan. जिनके व्हील नहीं है तो द स्टूडेंट्स जस्ट डू उष्ट्रासन, जस्ट डू दिस. Thirty seconds hold ustrasan. Saksham is not joining the class today.
He's not feeling well today, so he's
Oh, you are a star. You did so well the other day. I like what you did.
He is bringing 2 of his friends at home in evening, and they're doing yoga for half an hour.
Superb, superb. What better can you ask from today's generation? Isn't it lovely? The future is in safe hand when I see things like this. योगावीर वाले सब गायब हो गए, कोई कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. अवनी को लिफ्ट करो. अवनी कैन डू विदाउट द सपोर्ट. शी कैन जस्ट. ना पूजा, हाथ वैसे नहीं जाते. नो, लिफ्ट. हाथ कान के पीछे से. हेलो, दिस वे, नॉट दिस वे. आरिशो अगेन. कहाँ गया अभी? ओके, कैन एवरीबडी सी मी अगेन? हाँ, राइट. पूजा नाउ शी इज डूइंग फाइन. अभी वो एल्बो शुड टच द ग्राउंड. शॉर्टकट किया वापस. हाँ, हाथ को आगे लाते लाते एल्बो शुड बी ऑन द ग्राउंड. It's difficult asana, I know. Without the wheel it becomes very difficult. With the wheel also it is difficult. Pooja, you see, this is the shortcut. Okay, मैं हाथ directly ऐसे ले लिए. The right way is
Avni just did it. I think by the time she came up. Can you check on?
that's okay. Yeah, I can see her. Yeah, she's doing fine. Fine बोलते ही वापस आ गया. Pooja, if you can see.
Yeah.
This is without the wheel.
Yeah, I got it now. Okay. We'll keep trying. We'll keep trying without the wheel.
It's a difficult exercise, no doubt. Ridhima should be able to do it. Yeah, excellent. Excellent. 10 सहस्त्रार चक्र, ललाट चक्र, thyroid, इसके लिए ये बढ़िया exercise है. So keep doing, keep practicing. Now the asanas which need to be done after you do this, because ये सिर्फ करेंगे तो आपका blood flow सर की तरफ आया है, चिड़चिड़ाहट थोड़ी ज्यादा होगी. तो उसको nullify करने के लिए we'll have to do the relaxation. So relaxation के time sit in Vajrasana. Take the wheel in front. Press your forehead on the wheel. Or you could use the brake. दो मिनट अधोमुख वज्रासन. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने ब्रेक क्यों ली है, अदरवाइज मेरा सर तो नीचे टच होता है. The reason is your Agya Chakra should be touching. Your Agya Chakra is between both the eyes. And you want to be in control after the class, not lose control. So you bend forward, keep your forehead on the pillow, on the brick. Slowly up. Sit straight, sit relaxed. Friday we will do pranayam. We'll do only pranayam. Friday will be a pranayam only